Have you ever wondered if there's a secret to attracting the people you desire into your life? Well, buckle up, because today we're about to dive into the realms of the extraordinary. Picture this: placing a piece of paper with a name under your pillow, and suddenly the universe conspires to bring that person into your life. Sounds like pure fantasy, right? But what if I told you there's a ritual, a combination of telepathy, the law of attraction, the principle of vibration, and the art of mentalism that could unlock the power of your thoughts and change your reality? Get ready to be blown away, because today's video is all about a ritual that might just redefine the way you think about the potential of your mind. Hey, dreamers and believers, welcome back to the space where we explore the uncharted territories of the mind and uncover the secrets that lie within. I'm your guide on this journey of self-discovery, and today we're diving deep into a topic that will challenge your beliefs and open your mind to the infinite possibilities that surround you. Now, let's get straight into it. Today, I'm about to introduce you to a ritual that combines ancient wisdom with modern understanding, a ritual that involves more than just actions. It delves into the very essence of your thoughts and their power to shape your reality. So grab a seat, clear your mind, and let's explore the magic that unfolds when you combine telepathy, the law of attraction, the principle of vibration, and the art of mentalism. It's not just about attracting people into your life. It's about understanding the intricate dance between your thoughts and the universe. So, without further ado, let's unlock the mysteries and dive into the ritual that might just change the way you think about your own mind. Embark on a profound and enchanting odyssey as we unravel the intricacies of a ritual designed to unlock the latent potential of your thoughts, molding the very fabric of your reality. The initiation begins with a deliberate choice, urging you to contemplate the nature of the connection you yearn to cultivate. Whether it be a cherished friend, a potential romantic soulmate, or a business ally, the crux lies in your earnest desire to welcome them into your life on a profoundly deeper level, a connection that transcends the superficial. The journey intensifies with the recognition that visualization is the linchpin of this mystical endeavor. Take a moment to immerse yourself in a vivid mental tableau, where the features of the chosen individual materialize, the echoes of their voice resonate, and their presence is palpable. Once this mental imagery crystallizes, the transition from the ethereal to the tangible beckons. Inscribe their name onto a piece of sacred paper, anointing one side with your own name and the other with the name of the person you aspire to attract. Unite these names with a symbolic line, emblematic of the ethereal link you are weaving between your essence and theirs, an intricate dance of energies. Above this symbolic tether, articulate your desires with unwavering clarity. Whether it's a serendipitous phone call, a heartfelt message, or an unplanned encounter, carve out the specifics of your aspirations. This step is pivotal, as it acts as the beacon guiding the intentions you are about to release into the cosmic tapestry. Seal these intentions by folding the paper, encapsulating your written desires, and placing it beneath your pillow as you descend into the realms of dreams. Why under your pillow? As you navigate the subconscious landscapes during sleep, your mind becomes a cauldron of potent creativity and receptivity. By nestling your intentions beneath your pillow, you are tapping into the vast reservoir of the collective subconscious, establishing a dynamic connection with the very essence of the person you wish to attract. Yet, no journey is devoid of challenges, and doubts may emerge like specters, threatening to undermine your intentions. In response, acknowledge and address these doubts through the tapping technique, an ancient alchemy for the release of emotional discord. Close your eyes, tap the middle of your dominant hand's palm, and allow the conflicting emotions or doubts to surface, only to be transmuted through this tactile and intentional process. The alchemical journey culminates with a call for consistency. Repeat this intricate dance of energies for 3 consecutive days, sharing your evolving experiences in the sacred space of the comments section below. Recognize that the true artistry lies in being consumed by your intention while holding a sacred detachment from the outcome. This is not merely a ritual. It is a profound exploration of the symbiotic dance between your thoughts and the vast cosmic canvas. Embrace each step with reverence, savoring the sacredness of the process, and watch as the ethereal magic gradually unfolds. By the culmination of this 3-day sojourn, you may find yourself not only astonished but profoundly transformed by the almighty power that resides within the recesses of your consciousness. May the magic be with you as you traverse this sacred journey of self-discovery. As we draw the curtains on this mystical exploration, remember that the transformative power lies not just in the ritual itself, but in the ongoing journey of self-discovery. This ritual is a testament to the remarkable connection between your thoughts and the vast, intricate tapestry of the universe. Take a moment to reflect on the potential you hold within, the power to shape your reality and manifest your deepest desires. We delve into a diverse range of topics, from ancient wisdom to cutting-edge neuroscience, all aimed at empowering you on your journey of self-discovery. As you engage in this sacred practice, relish every nuance, celebrate each realization, and trust the unfolding of your unique journey. The magic within you is boundless, and your potential is limitless. Stay curious, stay connected, and may your path be illuminated with profound insights and transformative experiences. Thank you for being part of our ever-growing community. Your presence enriches this collective exploration, and we look forward to continuing this incredible journey together. Until next time, may the magic within you continue to illuminate your path, and may your days be filled with wonder, curiosity, and self-discovery. Stay enchanted.